What's up? What's up? This your girl FranShon. Today we are working with tresses of Fiji's hair. My client has 4C hair, as you can see, baby girl. Okay, but guess what? We can still get y'all together. For the ones that say, "Oh, I'm not relaxed, I'm all natural," well, you can still get the same styles. Okay, as long as you are not afraid of a good old hot pressing comb, then we will get you all the way together. Here at The Difference Is. So as you can see right now, I am braiding her down for a sew-in. She's getting these 3 bundles sewed on in, baby girl, and this is how we do it. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the rest of this video. Okay, so now that we got that all nicked and tucked, I like to go ahead and start with the top so that the hair don't get so tangled or mixed in with the natural hair. I mean, it's up to you, but I like to start on the top. So as you can see, I am pressing the front part of her hair. If you guys are not used to pressing hair, natural hair with the stove pressing combs, not the plug-in, I do have those for sale on my website. All of that will be located in the description box if you guys are wanting to know what kind of presser comb I use. You have to make sure that you practice because you do not want to burn the client's hair. Once again, the product that I will be using is called Premium BeezWax. It is a wax that I make. No, it is not a wet foundation like edge control. It's not even similar to edge control. It actually holds the style and the hair in place for up to 7 days, unlike edge control. My product does have coconut oil inside and also castor oil to grow the edges as well. If you guys are interested in purchasing my product, all of that will be also in my website, which that information will be located in the description box. Please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Detroit in the building. I thought I had to do that, you feel me, because I had a Detroit sound. All right, back to Okay, now I want you guys to pay very close attention to what I'm finna to do. Some of you guys are still out here using bobby pins or doing whatever, I don't know, and I'll be having to correct you guys' work. So when I braided it, I got a piece of neck strip. You can find this at the beauty supply. It's the black kind, not the white kind. Okay, you wrap that around your client's ponytail for protection with the glue. All right, so as you can see, I was sewing my client's hair in. I was giving y'all a little minute, you know what I'm saying? Yes, I do double the tracks with only 2 bundles that we are putting back here. Their bundles was actually pretty thick for her to have 2 of the 30 inches of the body wave. And I double tracked it, even though I know it's just that small portion. It was pretty cool. Now, as you guys can see, I did not leave no hair out, so you guys want to make sure you pay attention to so I can show you how to cover up that last piece of track. So as you can see, I am using glue and I am wrapping the ponytail around, and it is double whiffed. It's double tracked, as you can see. I have glue on both top and bottom layer of the tracks. Okay, you guys, if you gotta zoom in, whatever you gotta do you see what I'm doing? I'm putting the glue on both of the tracks and I'm wrapping it around. Okay. Okay, so this the part I was telling y'all to watch out for. So y'all know how y'all be pulling a piece to wrap around the tracks. So this time we're going to take the last 2 layers of that ponytail and we're going to lay that down. We're going to lay that down so that you can lay that on top of that last track. Okay, we're going to put this up in a little ball, and then you see that it's no track showing. Then we're going to pull a small little piece, and this is going to be our piece that we're going to wrap around the base of the ponytail. Okay, now it's just a little trick of mine that I do so that when the clients want to swing her hair or do something, that last track on that ponytail does not be showing. Okay, so that was a little trick, a little tip that I wanted to give you guys on, you know, a way to cover up that last track. Okay, so even if you guys wanted to wear it like this, I mean, it's still bomb, it's, you know, and it's still cute. So we gonna go ahead and crimp this mug on out. Okay, yes, it is additional, baby girl. Do not be thinking you finna pay the regular price to get all this 30-inch crimp. Okay, anywho, I got these crimpers from Sally's. You want to make sure that you spray a lot of spray. You don't want to make it too hard because sometimes it will burn. Yes, they do burn, even though they're electric. It'll give you like this brown burgundy look, especially on blonde hair. So you want to be careful. Don't spritz too much. I am actually using curling spray, not spritz or any hard. I'm using the Got2b or something that's like a holding spray. And make sure you guys just keep on spritzing. Make sure you guys follow the pattern. Yeah, I mean, crimps is pretty easy. I mean, it's very time consuming, you know, but it's pretty easy. So how did you guys enjoy my tutorial half up half down on 4C hair? Baby girl look like she got a perm. You can't tell her nothing. If you guys are located in Atlanta, Georgia, pull up, okay? Subscribe to my channel. See you guys.